going on, man? It's your boy CJ, man. I'm a new YouTuber, and what I'm saying, this is I'm starting up today, and I like it so far. So I'm, just gonna keep grinding and do all this stuff for you guys. Give you guys whatever you guys want to see. My personal life, but not too personal. You know what I'm saying? Stuff that's gonna get cut out, some stuff might, just not too much craziness. But other than that, give you guys whatever you want to see. I can record in school. I can record out of school. Any time of the day I'll record for you guys. I don't even care, you know what I'm saying? I'm just new and I'm gonna give you guys, some fire stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a funny channel. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a funny channel. I play 2K, I play Madden, I play all those games that you guys play. I play them too. So, and I have Xbox. So, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna be no fake, YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? The thing is, I'll play with my fans. I don't even care. You know what I mean? Message them. It doesn't matter. I'll play with any of my fans, bro. I'm not gonna be no fake YouTuber to young fans that actually like me and shit like that. If it's like you spamming me, fuck that. I'm blocking him if he spamming me and shit. But other than that, you know what I'm saying, I'm not fake to my fans. So just guys, you talking about anything, I won't care. You know what I'm saying? Just don't spam me. Other than that, like I said, I'm new to this, so I just, get these likes going, these subscribes going. Let's get it going, guys. Let's get it going. So, like I said, man, it's your boy O'Shea Green, man. Holla at me if you need anything, bro. You know I'm here. I won't ditch you on some fool shit. So let's get, guys. I'm new to this. Let's get about 10 likes.